Okay, so I'll start off by talking about how to map the domain. So you begin by going to GoDaddy and logging in. You then click My Account at the top right, then Visit My Account. Then the green launch button next to domains. You then click on the relevant domain. You then look for the tab that says DNS Zone File. You then look for the heading that says CNAME alias. You go right to the bottom of the list and it should be the last item on the list, and it should say www and then have a @ symbol. So what you want to do is click on the edit icon. So we're just editing this last alias, the one that says with the 3 W's. You need to delete the @ symbol and type in ext.squarespace.com. ext.squarespace.com. Finish. You then need to save your changes. You then need to go back to this tab at the top of the page and click on the tab that says Settings. You then need to scroll down and look for the heading that says Forwarding. Forwarding, Domain, and then Manage. So click on the blue link that says Manage. Forwarding, Domain, Manage. Add forwarding. And you need to put in the full domain including the www. So www.completecv.com, and then click Add. Okay, to set up the email, you may have been given 10 free emails with your domain. If not, you are going to need to call them and buy some. So you get back to the home page and then you once again go to My Account, Visit My Account, click on Launch next to Email. You then need to click on the create icon in the top left hand corner of the page. And then select your domain from the list. And it should take about 10 minutes to propagate. So in about 10 minutes time you should be able to use typing in the URL should take you to the site, and the domain should be active in about 10 minutes. To actually access the email sent to this address, you need to go to login.secureserver.net. Okay, so you can just simply log into your email from here. So after setting it up, in about 10 minutes time you should then just be able to access. Okay, so you then need to go to your PayPal, and after logging in you want to look for profile, which is on this second menu item here on the far right. And you need to look for account information. Click on email. And you need to add the email address that you've just created. Okay, it may be that I already have too many email addresses. So, for example, James@CompleteCV. Okay, and then click Save. You then need to make sure that the new address that you've created is made the primary address, and that's done by selecting it from the list and then clicking primary. Okay, so when that's done, you then need to click on the Merchant Services menu item. And then create payment button for your website. And create button now. And you should make this the new email address that you've just created. Use my primary email address, and item name could be so this would allow you to charge one fixed price. If you need to charge multiple prices, then I think you want to add a drop down, and for example you could have rewrite CV for £85, LinkedIn and just put the various options here. Click done. And steps 2 and 3, you can ignore those. Then click create button. And click on select code. Then Control C, so copy this code here, and then you need to open Notepad and then just save it and attach it to an email, so as a TXT file.